Kita sekarang mau mendaki gunung
lembah. Sungai mengalir indah ke samudra.
Kita lagi berada di Burtelegi.
Kita lagi berada di
Burtelegi.
gunung apa, Pak?
Gunung Sibaya.
Sibaya. Kayak
Highline.
Ikuti kami terus ya guys.
Jalan.
Something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying.
Setelah kita berapa hari di sini, alhamdulillah kita bisa menikmati alam Takengon secara maksimal karena kita semalam tidur di pantai. Apa tuh namanya tadi? Lu apa? Bukan lu. Pantai apa tuh?
Pantai per apa tak tahu.
Ujung Mepar.
Ujung Mepar.
Kita nginap di pantai Ujung Mepar di pinggiran Danau Lokawar. Kita berkemah terus di sini kita mau makan-makan. Setelah tadi kita baru siap dari Burtelegi ya.
Burtelegi ya.
Burtelegi. Kita tadi ada yang payung-payung tuh yang lagi kekinian tuh yang hits gitu kan. Jadi kita dari situ tadi terus ini sekarang kita mau makan ikan bakar boy.
Ikan bakar apa, Boy?
Seafood. Ikan apa tadi kita?
Ikan nila.
Ini kolamnya kita disuruh mancing, terus panggang sendiri, nasi bawa sendiri, makan wah.
Oke, Boy. Makanan sampai.